Have you ever wondered what blockchain is? Well, let's dive right into it. Blockchain, in its simplest form, is a type of database. But what sets it apart? Instead of storing data in tables like traditional databases, blockchain bundles data into blocks. These blocks are then chained together in a chronological order, hence the term blockchain. But the real magic of blockchain lies in its decentralization. Picture this: instead of a single entity controlling the database, imagine a network of computers, each holding a copy of the blockchain. This distributed ledger records transactions across these computers, ensuring that no single record can be altered retroactively without changing all subsequent blocks. This makes the data secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. In a world where data security and transparency are more important than ever, the concept of blockchain is revolutionizing the way we handle data. So in essence, blockchain is a type of decentralized database. Now, you might be wondering, how does blockchain work? Well, let's delve into that, shall we? The blockchain process begins when a transaction occurs. This could be anything from a monetary exchange to the sharing of sensitive information. The key thing to remember here is that any type of data can be stored in a blockchain, and that's what makes it so versatile. After a transaction takes place, it must be verified. This doesn't involve a bank or credit card company as you might expect. Instead, a network of computers, often referred to as nodes, confirms the details of the transaction. They check the transaction details, including the time, participants, and value. This process ensures the transaction is legitimate. Once verified, the transaction is stored in a block. This block contains the transaction details, as well as other relevant data. But it's not just thrown in haphazardly. Each transaction is recorded in a structured manner, ensuring it's easy to find and trace if needed. Here's where things get a bit more complex. Each block is also given a unique code called a hash. The hash is created by a mathematical function that turns digital information into a string of numbers and letters. If that information is edited in any way, the hash code changes as well. But that's not all. Each block also contains the hash of the previous block in the chain, which creates a sort of digital wax seal. It confirms that this block, and all blocks that follow, are legitimate. If anyone tried to tamper with the data in a block, everyone would know. The altered block's hash would change, breaking the chain. This combination of hashing and the chronological order of blocks adds up to a system that is very difficult to manipulate. It's the heart of what makes blockchain a secure method of recording transactions and data. Therefore, the process of blockchain involves transaction, verification, storage in a block, and assigning a hash. It's a system designed to promote transparency and security, making it a revolutionary tool in our digital age. So, where is this blockchain used? Well, let's start with the most common use: cryptocurrencies. Yes, the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum are built on the foundation of blockchain, making transactions secure and transparent. But the magic of blockchain extends far beyond digital currencies. Imagine a healthcare system where your medical records are not just a pile of papers in a dusty cabinet, but an encrypted, easily accessible record on a blockchain. Swift, secure, and seamless. And it doesn't stop there. Picture a supply chain where the journey of products from manufacturer to consumer is tracked using blockchain. No more mysteries, no more lost goods. Now consider the voting systems. Blockchain can bring about a revolution in ensuring fraud prevention. Your vote, securely recorded and verified on a blockchain. Thus, from cryptocurrencies to voting systems, the applications of blockchain are wide and varied. To wrap up, let's revisit what we've learned about blockchain. The first thing to remember is that blockchain is a decentralized database. Rather than being stored in a single location, it's spread across numerous computers around the globe, making it secure and resilient. The process by which blockchain works is another key point. It operates on a system of transactions where each transaction is recorded in a block. These blocks are then linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. This process is transparent, secure, and virtually tamper-proof thanks to complex mathematical algorithms. Lastly, let's not forget the myriad of uses for blockchain. From transforming the financial services industry with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, to improving supply chain management, and even revolutionizing healthcare records, blockchain's potential is vast and varied. In a world that is increasingly digital, understanding technologies like blockchain becomes all the more important.